To me at Bucknell, the most compelling essays are the ones that are very straightforward in the language they use, who tell us a story about maybe a day in their life that may not even seem that exciting or interesting, but just gives us a little snapshot about the humanity of the student.
We ask them first to answer this question, which is, what is it that you want colleges to know about you? And to think about traits and characteristics, not accomplishments. And the best essays are often about mundane moments when the student shows what he or she learned. So you start with, who are you? What's important to you? And then find a story to illustrate it. It's not the experience, it's what you learned from the experience.
Before you get to the question, think about what it is you want to communicate about yourself, attributes, things you want the committee to know about you when you're answering whatever that essay prompt happens to be. Might be a good place to start.
The language that sometimes students use are words that are intentionally trying to impress us. So very simple phrasing will do. And whereas if they went with a very simple format of, say, the 5-paragraph essay, tell me your thesis or your point, tell me some examples that add some color, and then sum it up to say what did you learn or how did you react to that situation or how you might bring a characteristic to my campus. Sometimes those can be very powerful, not because of how technically complicated they are, but how clearly the message is delivered.
Other do's, make sure someone reads your essay and let them give you feedback, honest feedback. Does this sound like you? Does this represent who they know you to be? Admission committees are looking for authenticity. I think it's important to understand that the essay is not something that needs to be cracked. The essay is a part of a number of identifiers that deliver who you are as a person.